Much like going to the doctor or dentist for regular screenings and care, preventative maintenance is the key to the health and longevity of your vehicle. Manufacturers may have differing intervals, but adhering to them is the best way to ensure your vehicle stays in good working order while also catching larger issues early on or preventing them altogether. And here to help discuss this further is our service manager, Rachel, who can help provide some insight into why these routine services are crucial.
During every oil inspection, our technicians do a visual inspection of lights, wipers. Underneath the hood, they're going to check batteries, fluids, belts, filters. We then check your brake pad wear life as well as your tire life. Underneath the vehicle, we do a inspection of steering and suspension, driveline, exhaust. We're looking for any loose or worn components, as well as looking for any visible leaks. A thorough inspection is important because we can help maintain a customer's vehicle as well as make it safe for the road. We do this by noting any issues, as well as recommending any mileage-based maintenance or any wear items that need to be replaced. Not taking care of maintenance or repairs on a vehicle can shorten its lifespan. In addition to that, it can also cause mechanical breakdown. Nobody likes to be broken down on the side of the road, and nobody has time for an unplanned breakdown. In addition to that, not taking care of maintenance or repairs can affect, and in some cases, void warranties.
Our advisors will let you know which services should be performed immediately and why, and which services can wait until your next visit. Most maintenance services can be done same day without an appointment, but if you'd like to schedule one, you're more than welcome to do so to ensure that things are taken care of in a time frame that works best for you. If you'd like to schedule an appointment for a future service, let your advisor know during your next visit, or you can give them a call at 920-731-1300.